the one thing that I've always known and love about Melly, she's got your back. She will make whatever needs to happen, as long as it's important to you, happen. And I thought I can keep this together because I've had so much practice being a bridesmaid that I don't think I can. So I'm just gonna cut it now and say, Poof, you make Melly happy. So by extension, you make all of us happy. Welcome to the family.
So I've known the happy couple since high school. I thought it might be fun to read you what they wrote to me in my senior yearbook. Melly wrote, Dear Gigian, Bibian, Mimian, Zizian, Minian, Linda's stupid friend. That's stupid with 2 O's.
You may kiss the bride.
Love always, Melissa. In parentheses, Smelly. Cheers.
It's a beautiful night.